Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this absolutely spectacular 1963 Jaguar Mark II. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are, 1963 Jaguar Mark II. We'll do a little cold start here. Turn the key on. A little fires right up. One of the upgrades, fully functional Apple CarPlay, full-size screen. Also has a reverse camera. We'll get a little temperature in her and we'll tell you all about her. Okay, I got a little temperature in her. My goodness, this car drives so nicely. Really straight and solid. Amongst the upgrades, vintage air conditioning. We have a brand new stereo, full screen stereo with reverse camera, Bluetooth. This is a 4-speed manual with overdrive that works. All the gauges work. The wood is spectacular. The leather, a headliner, everything about this car is really well done. Nice horn. Cup holders, suspension, full brake service this year, clutch with a lightweight flywheel recently installed as well. Car really drives well, feels good. It's really quite elegant sitting in this cabin here. We'll come up to the S's and we'll be back to you. Okay, here we are in the S's. Really good steering response. Handles well for a 4-door car. 5 seating. Pulls tremendously well. Again, overdrive, electronic overdrive, so light lights up, RPMs drop. Slow down, put it back in, light comes off. RPMs raise, really well taken care of, set up, fully restored, very nice car. We'll drop Jaguar up here and we will do some flybys for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. This is definitely, we've sold a bunch of these Mark IIs, and this is one of the tightest driving. Really well done, well maintained, excellent feeling car. Rare car and to boot. Not a lot of cars you can get this kind of performance out of a 4-door vintage car. Room for golf clubs, shooting, whatever you'd like. Room for the family. And the sportiness of a 4-speed with working electronic overdrive. Again, air conditioning, stereo, very well done, maintained, and upgraded. Straight 6 derived from the E-Type. This is a twin carb setup. We'll take her up here to the farm road. We'll open her up a little bit. Okay, here we are. Come up to the farm road, give her a little. Really does pull well. You wouldn't think it would be a 4-door car. The way the car pulls, the way it handles. Again, Jaguar Mark II, 3.8, 4-speed manual, fully restored and upgraded. Great driving car, solid as could be. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I definitely did. Like and subscribe below, comment as well, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.